Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube page. I want to thank you guys so much for taking the time out to like and subscribe. Also, thank you guys for taking the time out to watch my content. Like I said, I try to drop a video consistently that'll help you guys out when you are in the process of buying life insurance. Today's topic, what I want to talk about is the strategy you should have when you are buying term life insurance, right? So we all know term life insurance is the most affordable, simple type of policy to get. You basically can get a term of 10, 15, 20, 30 years. Some companies let you go past 30 years, but like I said, these are the most affordable policies to get. Basically with these, you're able to get a larger death benefit without your premium going up too high. So for example, if you're a 30-year-old male and you want to get $100,000 quote on a whole life insurance, it could be upwards or around at like $100, versus that if you're 30 years old and you take that same $100, you probably could get up to somewhere close to $1 million, maybe even more than $1 million in term coverage. So, but what I want to talk about is the strategy you should have when you buy term life insurance, right? So if you are buying term insurance, your goal should be to have a net worth of whatever your face amount is, or either that or more than whatever your face amount is at the end of your term. That way, when it comes time for your renewal, either, you can say, hey, I have a high net worth, I really don't need life insurance, or if you wanted to, you could just, renew the policy. Some companies do allow you to have a guaranteed renewable term, meaning that if you're 30 years old, you get a 30-year term, right? It'll last from 30 to 60, right? When you turn 60, it'll automatically renew for another 30 years from 60 to 90. However, the price does go up. So the quote that you get at age 30 will be different than the quote that you get at age 60, right? So the price will definitely shoot up, since they're charging you, at such a, or quoting you at such a high age. And that is the reason why I say you should have a net worth of at least whatever your face amount is. So if you go out and you get a $500,000 term for 30 years, right? And let's say you're 35 and you do that, by the time you're 65 years old, you should have at least a $500,000 net worth. That way, when it comes time to your renewal, you can look at you and say, okay, hey, this price is too expensive. I don't want to pay it, and I really don't have to, because I have a net worth of $500,000, right? So I have enough assets, I have enough cash, to pass on to my loved ones, and they don't have to worry about dealing with any, financial distress. So again, when it comes to life insurance, just like with other investments, and like these are investments. Life insurance is an investment, whether you're buying term or whether you're buying whole life. There should be a strategy, just like when you go out and you buy real estate, there's an exit strategy, so you should have an exit strategy with life insurance. So like I said, the big takeaway from this is that if you buy term insurance, your goal should be to have a net worth of whatever your face amount is, or at least whatever your face amount is before your first year, the first time your term is over. So if you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments. I'd love to answer those. If you are looking for life insurance, I will definitely leave my website in the comments as well. And again, guys, thank you so much for taking the time out to watch this video.